Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Today we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. This is coming from, I do believe, KeShi. And we'll see what they have to show us today. Dude. Here we go. Got something in here. Then, oh, digital voice recorder. All right. Let's see what it is. This would be good for your taking notes in class, your vlogs, your blog-ins and stuff like that. In case you forget a lot of stuff, you can just record it. Definitely lightweight, nice pocket size. Put this in your satchel or your sling bag. Ooh, look at that shine. Bling bling. I do believe it has 62 gig. 62. We got the USB. We got the manual. Let's take a little brief tour of the manual. Let's see. We got earphone jack, microphone right here, and dual microphone. Look at that. Microphone, earphone jack, mode menu right here, volume, previous or next, and speaker is right here. We're going to test this out in a second. Now on the other side, it is microphone, display, confirm and pause, which will be here, on and off switch, which is here, and the TF card slot. Down at the bottom is the USB to charge it up. But look at the back though, it's pretty sweet. Capacity is 8 gigs. Oh yeah, see, it tells you right there. It says off, on, play, mode, volume, skip, fast forward. All right, let's see what else. Put that right there. Dimensions 4x1, 6 USB. Interface is 2.0. Storage medium is 4 gigs up to 64. Battery is 3.7. Recording time for 8 gigs. High quality is 45 hours. Low quality is 540 hours. On a 16 gig, it is going to be 90 hours. And on low quality, it's going to be 1070. Music MP3, 8 kilohertz, 48. Recording wave format, 64, 128, 192. Headphone output, some 10 by 10 plus 10, 320 HMs. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kHz. And supporting all the Windows Macs. So switch in one click. Okay, so brief little summary. Let's see this thing in action. All right. Ooh. There it is. So where do we begin? Record. Okay, there you go. See. Now pull up, you can delete files. Oh, okay, you hit this one, the middle button. And then test 1, 2, 3, testing. You can see it moving when you're talking, so pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's there. Focus a little bit more. Test. Here we go. So see him moving up, and then stop it. think you just want to hit play. You can go right here. And then test 1, 2, 3, testing. You can see it moving when you're talking, so pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's there. Focus a little bit more. Test. Here we go. This is like some James Bond. Some James Bond technology right here. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. These will go pretty fast with the holidays and school starting back up. So definitely click the link and see how much they go for and all that good stuff. Great stocking stuffers. Maybe a gift to give someone that's going away for college. Stuff like that. It would be really great. You can use it in business meetings. Stuff like that. Very useful tool, especially in today's society. This will be very helpful for anyone to use. It's really simple, lightweight, easy to carry. Just wish they had like a little travel tote. But like I said, it fits in your front pocket, side pocket, your purse, pretty much anything. So there you go. And thank you guys. YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow.